Hey everyone. Today, I have some truly hot news for you. In the midst of the current uncertainty in the crypto market, this airdrop is a real lifesaver for active users. PAWS has just announced the Solana OG Checker, a tool that lets you check if you're eligible for PAWS tokens. And the best part? The distribution is massive. 7.5% of all PAWS tokens will be given away to early supporters of the Solana ecosystem. If you've been involved with meme coins and DeFi on Solana, you must check if you've made it to the list of lucky winners. PAWS is distributing 7.5% of its tokens to the core communities of Solana. This includes 13 projects covering both meme coins, WIF, BONK, and DeFi giants, Jupiter, Radium. To claim your reward, simply connect your Solana wallet, Phantom and others, to the PAWS platform. Check if you're eligible for tokens. Claim your reward. It's that simple. And based on community feedback, the rewards promise to be truly generous. But this isn't just about giving away tokens. It's a strategic move to strengthen PAWS within the Solana ecosystem. The project aims not only to reward its early supporters, but also to attract new users, further solidifying PAWS' position. On your screen right now, you can see the full list of 13 projects included in this massive airdrop. If you've interacted with any of them, you have a great chance to claim your share. This airdrop isn't just a gift, it's a strategic power move. Rewarding OG users keeps the community engaged. New users join the PAWS ecosystem. Solana strengthens its position as a top-tier network for meme coins and DeFi. If you've engaged with Solana projects, this is your chance to grab free tokens that could become highly valuable in the future. Solana OG users, don't miss out. Head over to the PAWS website, connect your wallet, and check how many tokens you've earned. This isn't just an airdrop, it's part of a bigger game where PAWS is securing its position in the ecosystem. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you made it to the lucky list. See you in the next video.
PAWS.